Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down two crucial concepts in the world of IT: forward proxies and reverse proxies. These tools might seem complicated, but trust me, they're simpler than you think. First up, let's talk about forward proxies. Imagine you're in a library and you want to get a book from a different library. Instead of going there yourself, you ask the librarian to get it for you. That librarian is your forward proxy. In tech terms, a forward proxy sits between your computer and the internet. When you send a request to access a website, the proxy intercepts it, fetches the content, and then sends it back to you. This is incredibly useful for filtering content, enhancing security, and even bypassing geo-restrictions. Now let's flip the script and talk about reverse proxies. Imagine you're at a restaurant and instead of going to the kitchen to get your food, a waiter brings it to your table. That waiter is your reverse proxy. In IT, a reverse proxy sits between the internet and your server. When users try to access your website, the reverse proxy intercepts the request, forwards it to the server, and then delivers the server's response back to the users. This setup is fantastic for load balancing, caching, and adding an extra layer of security to your server. So where exactly are these proxies used? Forward proxies are commonly used in corporate environments. They help in monitoring and controlling employee internet usage, improving bandwidth through caching, and enhancing security by hiding internal IP addresses. On the other hand, reverse proxies are widely used by websites and online services. They distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server gets overwhelmed. This not only speeds up the user experience, but also provides redundancy in case of server failures. Now let's quickly recap the benefits of using proxies. For forward proxies, you get improved security, content filtering, and the ability to bypass geo-restrictions. They also provide anonymity by masking your IP address, making it harder for websites to track your online activities. For reverse proxies, the benefits include load balancing, enhanced security, and improved performance through caching. They also help in maintaining uptime and availability by distributing traffic across multiple servers. So there you have it. Forward proxies and reverse proxies might sound like tech jargon, but they're essential tools for improving security, performance, and control over internet traffic. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.